What's going on out there, artists? It's your boy Coach back with another video, and today I want to teach you guys how to harmonize. All right, why would you need to know how to harmonize? Because melody is the universal language, and a lot of you guys came up just straight up rapping, and you may want to get into melodic rap or just more melodic music in general where you're singing. Harmonizing is going to help you. Now, I know we probably got some traditional music people out there that say, hey, that's not the traditional meaning of harmonizing. And guess what? I don't care. This is my definition to help artists out there transition into getting more melodic and singing in their music. So when I say harmonizing, we're going to be finding beats and we're going to try to match the notes that we hear. We're going to sing along to the notes, the chords, the pianos, the melodies, whatever it is in that beat, all right? That's going to be our baseline. Don't worry if you're not hitting the exact notes. Don't worry if you're not singing perfect. That's what the auto-tune is going to take care of later on down the line. We just first want to find some notes in the beat, all right? So let's play the beat and find some notes. All right, now that we've had that note, or we found that note, now we've kind of found out what the key is of the beat. We know a area or a range that we can place melodies in and still be in pocket, all right? Now the next step is, I want you guys to go back to counting beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, because now that we have the tone part, now that we have the kind of the melody part, we want to bring the rhythm into it. So we're gonna 1, 2, 3, 4. And every time we hear a hit, that's when we're gonna place a note. So if 1, 2, 3, 4, every time one of those beats comes around. Now, what we're also gonna do is try to hit the note that we already found and try to go higher or try to go lower from that note. So let's go ahead and do it. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Now that's a good practice method in itself. It's just turning on beats, finding beats, and trying to find those notes and singing along. Then once you've found those notes, try to go higher, try to go lower, but stay within the range of that first note that you found. All right. And now the final step is get fun with it. Go crazy with it. All right. Get fun with it. Go crazy with it. All right. We have the notes. We know where we can go higher, where we can go lower. Now let's add spaces, pauses, runs, stretch things out, and let's start to create those melodies, because a probably prominent way for me to create a melody is just humming over a beat, doing this over a beat, and then turning it into words. For example, see, that's how I know what note to hit when I'm singing, because I found that initial note at the beginning. So I've been getting money for a long time, long time. I've been getting money for a long time. And these cats wanna hate, but nobody could stop it. Glock on my hip, call that bitch a Houston Rocket. Niggas wanna trip, but I promise I'ma pop it, yeah. I'm just singing, hope you enjoyed the video. Now I'm off of the beat, and I love y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in and following this coach, and then subscribing, and then you liking, and then you might, and then. Are you still having trouble and need a little bit more help? Book a free consultation with Coach today using the link in my description, and we'll get on the phone and see if personal one-on-one coaching is right for you. Also, check out my Patreon, where I have tons of content that is guaranteed to transform your skills as a rapper fast. I've seen artists go from good to great in the span of a couple weeks. Also, check out my website where I have tons of courses on any subject that you may be having trouble with, whether that's flow, melody, or lyrics. Thank you guys, and let's have a great year. I was listening to music the other day, and it kind of hit me. How is Future able to have effective lyrics but not be lyrical? Like, nobody's going to hail Future as the greatest lyricist or one of the greatest bar writers ever, but yet and still, his lyrics have given him longevity. Why is that? And as I was studying it, it hit me. Future being able to recognize prominent accents in a beat is super important for rappers that want to make sure your flows are fresh, they're new, they're unique for every single beat you come across. When I say recognize prominent accents, can you hear any